Taking a walk up here. That tree was... Hey! Hey! I'm up here! That's it right there. I think it was leaning against the tree. Oh, good thing the dogs weren't up here. Look at that part of it. Sticking in the ground. Wow. It won't even, that stuff won't even burn. It's so pungy. Wow. That was pretty loud. Scared me. It was leaning against the tree for I don't know how long. A lot of trees down up here. Nobody dame! Like somebody tried to cut that one. They're all too rotted. Looks like somebody cut a tree down over there. Unbelievable. Good thing the dogs weren't up here. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.